Okie dokie. So, oh, I need to loosen up first.
To limber it up.
I need to limber up. I'm like that. I don't know if you ever saw the athlete that like, do you like
watch yourself. There's a fucking really hot pan of shit next to you.
This is my preferred terrain, actually.
You like to live dangerously.
Most of the health and safety pits. Where we gyrate.
Risky brisky pit.
Risky brisky pit. No, I don't know if I like the risky brisky pit. It's a bit. Doesn't have a good texture.
It's a bit grim, innit?
A bit gristly as far as names go.
Pit of risk.
So, chicken brine for chicken. Now, I've done this a couple of times and people keep asking me for the recipe. You know, I'll spend days preparing all these briskets and all these pork butts, and then as an afterthought, I'll do some chicken just to bulk up the numbers, and everyone's like, this fucking chicken's lovely. Oh, what's your chicken recipe? Just water from the tap. Cinnamon sticks, 2 of them, right? Bay leaves, some of them. Actually, some more. I quite like bay leaves. I prefer to use fresh bay leaves, but that involves someone having a bay tree. Anyway, bay leaves, yeah. Peppercorns, some. Salt, some. That's my brine. We're gonna leave this to simmer for like a few minutes until it's also aromatic. And then we're gonna chill it down with some ice, put it on the chicken. And when your brine resembles Coca-Cola, switch the heat off, drop a bunch of ice in. I tend to make a smaller, more concentrated brine and then just add more ice. Cools it down quickly. You're not waiting ages for it to chill. Easy. And then top it up with just enough water to cover it. Double bag it in the fridge. Leave it there overnight. Job's a good one.
The next day. One hour later.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get. You hear that? Yeah. That's money.